This is my planting uh, project, and it's a great way to solve the food desert issue. Plant your own food and somehow, I shouldn't say somehow, find a way to preserve it, to use it, so that way you'll be less reliant on the food insecurity in the future. Look at that amazing, beautiful pepper that was produced, and that's just one of them. There's quite a lot that's flowering and being coming to being and getting bigger. So excellent way. You can see already here two more. I don't know if you can see or not, but all these, I may be exaggerating, not all, but the majority of this pepper tree here, or pepper plant, I shouldn't call it tree, pepper plant, has a lot of flower that's budding and becoming pepper. So really excited to try and taste some of them. So yeah, so this is one way to resolve food security. Plant your own stuff, so that way you can consume it yourself and you know where it's coming from. Just a pet project doing right now, and this doesn't take a lot of time, a lot of effort. Start planting your own. Enjoy.